Hello everyone and welcome back to my new video. This is Imon Hussein. This is learning English practice video. So where I'll share with you slow English. Now why important listening? Why people listen more and more? What is the behind the cause? And why people should need to listen at least 30 minutes? Today I'm going to share with you. Now I can speak little. But 1 year ago or 2 years ago, I was stuck. And I stuck. And I couldn't speak like this. Even I didn't have expressing power of my learning English. Now I got little confidence to express myself. And why I'm saying this? And if you look 10 years back, and I'm giving example with me. And for example, I am 10 years old. I am 3 or 4 years old. When somebody born in this world, then after, and what they do? And they listen. Then after, they repeat with their relatives. And this was the process. That's why their native English and their native language, they are fluent. And we are not fluent because our mother tongue and also our speaking pattern, it wasn't good. It wasn't similar, look like this. And somehow I can go to another topic. I mean, I can lost my rhythm of my speaking. But I'm going to say that. So now whenever you will try you learning English, at least listen, because your native language you learn from your listening. Then after you tried, you speak up, then you got this fluency, and everybody can understand your native language. What can anyone language can be your mother tongue. But if you think you want to learn different language, definitely you have to speak up, you have to listen more and more. Never think English grammar. Never think. Just think about your speaking. Focus on this. Our motivation become down when we think grammar is important than speaking, grammar is important than my listening. That time become a difficulty. So hopefully after watching this video, you won't do this and you will take action for listening, for speaking up. And anybody here on online social media, you can make friend for your English speaking. So this is really easiest way. And if you want to make your partner, so definitely you can get partner without any hard work. Because and if you have like that mentality, I mean, mental power is really important. And if you lost your mind, no one will say you that, and why are you doing like this? Might be 2 or 3 days they can give you suggestion. Then after your life, you have to enjoy. So if you want to enjoy your life, definitely mission is important, goal is important, and then after you can get your milestone for your life. So if you're watching this video from YouTube and from others platform, hopefully you got right video for your learning English in future, and I will give you the better version of my self related English video, and which will really help you on your speaking, on your self growth. So thank you. See you for the another one. Share and like you can do, because this is free thing, and this is easy thing, and you can hit you can subscribe, and also you can share this video. Have a wonderful day, will be, and if you follow those are things. So thank you and see you next time.